The highlight of my Copenhagen design trip was visiting a furniture gallery and workshop that seamlessly integrates traditional Danish craftsmanship with modern design. The owners Anders and Kari shared their comprehensive creative process from initial concept sketches to material selection and final production techniques. Their passion for furniture making was truly inspiring.
You saw this one,
Yes, yesterday.
which is the very first prototype that was made back in 2001.
Uh-huh.
We will know when we have the other one
Yeah.
next to it.
Yes, and to compare.
Exactly, because
Yeah.
you can only imagine that much, and then your body has to experience the rest, right?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it feels very comfortable. Comfortable to me already, but yeah. It's like it kind of hugs you as you sit on it.
Yeah,
It hugs you.
exactly.
Yeah.
It welcomes.
Yeah, it welcomes you. Yeah.
So this is actually a task that we set the architect and Svart back in 2018. Just about, because it also takes some time, you know, before we mention something, and then he starts thinking, and then he starts drawing, and then at some point he's ready for the first presentation.
Got it.
So that was back then, and we asked him to do a modern, elegant sofa. And this was what he came up with.
Okay.
So this is actually part of the presentation. This is sort of an old school version of a presentation. Today, many of the young designers, they will, and you will probably also, drawing on the computer and presenting in a 3D.
Yes.
Or at least something made, like a rendering in an environment.
Yeah.
But this is very much how they were taught
Yeah.
to do it back in the days.
Yes.
So you have the drawings and the watercolors in order to imitate the leather of the natural, the tanned but natural sofa. So this is the three-seater version, which was actually made later on. The first one was the two-seater.
Ah, I see that.
And we started making it in a natural Victal leather and a black leather. And then we have made it in the red one latest.
Yeah, it's so unique.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like, again, like, it's very welcoming, you know? It's perfect. Yeah, I like this a lot. I love the color and I like the feel of this leather too.
Everything here is, it's one piece of leather.
Okay.
And you can see, so you have this piece
Yeah.
way around. Normally,
Uh-huh.
you'll have stitchings,
Yes. Yes.
but we don't like that. So we took this one piece
Uh-huh.
and put it in hot water, so we can stretch it out, so we can get these.
So it kind of expands.
Yeah, we put it over a big mold.
Uh-huh.
So actually, it's quite unique because it's also a very huge piece of leather.
And then you can see the hand stitching all
Yeah.
the way around.
Yes.
Yes.
Up close.
Up close, yeah. And you should feel it as well.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's so seamless.
So it's not made by machines, made
Yeah,
by hand.
yeah.
So that's also why when he starting with sewing, he wanted to do it on one day, because then he had this moment, a kind of moment, that if he wait,
If he stopped.
Stopped and do the rest the next day, maybe it could be a bit different.
Yes.
And that's not good.
That's not good. Oh, wow. So, yeah, long hours.
Long hours, but the rhythm of making it in one day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then of course when it's with everything we do here,
Uh-huh.
so it's so important that you can. It's also a nice in the
Oh, it's nice to tuft it on the bottom,
See
too.
all these details with this natural cane
Yeah.
leather. Yeah.
Well, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you for doing that. That's beautiful.
Inside the sofa, it's solid beech. It's beech is so strong.
Yes.
You know, so it's a good
Yeah.
way to do it.
Yeah.
And then it's totally filled up with, of course, these. On the other side of these,
Yeah.
we have this material.
What is this?
Yeah, it's kind, it's horsehair and pig's hair and natural rubber. So we wanted to source the best material.
Yes.
Also for the wiremen and for everything.
Yeah.
So this material here, it can last forever.
Yes.
It's so crazy. We are using the pillows.
Mm-hmm.
We are doing them, from the bottom with everything.
Got it.
Yeah. So this is made here.
So
It's
that.
not a standard.
Yeah. It's the filling is inside. Putting the cushion on top.
Exactly.
Okay.
And then build this up.
Yeah.
And then we do this.
Mm.
It's like if you are going out and buy a exclusive handbag.
Yeah.
Actually, it's made on the same way here.
Yeah.
So you can see all this work. When all this is put on, you can see here there's lots of space now, because the idea is that we put a piece of leather here, so we have this empty space.
Oh, okay.
And when you put a furniture in a room, you also have this. It's quite important that it can do something acoustic. So we are using this natural. This is hemp.
Yeah.
100% natural.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's very soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll put this in here.
I was just gonna ask you why the empty space. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's filled for the empty space.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So it's a 4 or 5 weeks process. Yeah.
Just to put it
To
all
make
together.
one. Yeah. We call it wire chair because the first prototype was made with wire, stainless steel wire, but it was not comfy at all. So we have to do something, and we have to do these changes.
Yeah.
In the beginning, everything here is stainless steel.
Okay.
So it's not chromed, it's stainless and polished up by hand.
Oh wow.
This piece here and this piece here is solid,
Okay.
and this piece and this piece are pipe.
A pipe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we found this cane, and this cane is carbon fiber.
Really?
Yeah, it's 100% carbon,
Okay.
and you cannot stretch it.
Yeah.
So everything here, when you put your weight in it,
Yeah.
you can see it goes like this. So everything is in the building of the frame, the stainless steel frame. This is the solid one going in the pipe here, and maybe you can follow it in so you can see it's plugged in, and then sanded down and polished up.
And then so it can connect together.
Yeah. So it's really strong.
Yeah, it looks like one piece almost. I love that finish.
Yeah.
That is beautiful.
Yeah. Very important is that this cane will last forever.
Oh.
Yeah. So we should find a cane, and we found this. And this is, when you have a piece of black coal.
Yeah.
And you melt it down with many high degrees, it'll be flooding.
Yeah.
And then you can, the candy floss with sugar. You have the sugar, and you can take the fibers, and you get a candy floss, and that's So it's actually the same
way.
The same way. You have this melted coal, and you go in it, and you can take a fiber out. And then when you ask how many of these fibers are used for this, 2,200 fibers.
Wow.
Put together here, it can take 2.5 tons. So actually you can
strong.
Yeah, it's very strong.
Yeah.
You have this needle here.
Yeah.
And then actually it's woven. So it's woven like a tube. So actually you can you can
That's how it's done.
Yeah.
That is stunning.
Like this. And then you have
Oh my, this is beautiful.
Then you have your eye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow. This is stunning. Thank you
And
for
actually-
showing that.
And actually, you more you stretching it,
Yeah.
the stronger it will be.
Interesting.
Yeah. If the design had been to just take the wire like this,
Yeah. Just straight
just straight,
across, yeah.
you know, the pressure
Uh-huh.
will smash the chair.
Oh.
But because here we have, it goes there and over
Yeah.
there, so and
Kind of like a crisscross?
and crisscross, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Then we will spread pressure out, and yeah,
That's how it's built.
yeah.
Oh, guys, it's really comfortable. Like very, oh wow. And I like how it has like this beautiful back support.
Yeah.
Like, you know, ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
And again, it's so strong, so it's actually you can also sit here.
oh.
So it's okay. Actually, it's also nice.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That is so cool. Guys, I'm seeing you watching our channel and not subscribing. So please do that. It really helps us.